It's Elisa Cool Murphy, and I am coming to you today from a porch swing in the Marigny Triangle. That's right, I am going to continue to post videos of live virtual tours, if you will, until we run out of vacant spaces to show you guys. So, as you can see, if you guys are practicing any kind of social distancing and you're feeling like you've got a little bit of cabin fever, I am in this amazing outdoor space, which is available for rent. It comes with a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment in the Marigny Triangle for $12.50 a month. So again, if you're feeling a little bit closed in, I get it. Think of this amazing backyard space that you could have. Now, I'm going to turn this camera around and get up so I can show you just how amazing this space is. All right, are y'all ready? Bum, 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 bum. Ooh, look, cute covered porch, outdoor furniture, porch swing. I see heart eyes, I know. I'm very fortunate because this place is owned as a vacation home by a retired older woman who lives in Portland, and so it is completely safe to hang out because no one's been here literally for weeks, as you can tell by the leaves. But leaves aside, they're coming from these brilliant shade trees that cover most of the yard. So it is going to be amazing all times of year. Now down below here we have that porch swing that I was just on. There's a bar for entertaining whoever is living with you through this, self-quarantine time. You've got it there. Beautiful plants. I'm going to come back and show you this space in a moment, but I want to show you the majority of the yard, which you have not seen yet. So I brought Maddie with me again so you can see for size and scale. Now she's a medium-sized dog. If any of you are outdoor types, the neighbors are doing some leaf blowing next door, so I apologize for that noise. They probably have the same shade trees we do. But you have this huge opportunity. There's all of these pots that are waiting for you and your green thumb. This was actually an entire structure back here a long time ago that is now a complete outdoor patio instead of a back area for, I don't know. It's super old, older than the house. Could have been blacksmith shop. It's made of stone, stables. Your guess is as good as mine. Look how charming. So, you've got all of this great outdoor space for rent with a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment in the Marigny. And stay and wait until the end because I have another outstanding secret for you to show. Okay, so you really can't tell the full distance going back here, but it's probably 30 feet wide. It's a lot of space. So if you're into outdoor activities, maybe gardening, maybe you want to take up painting, whatever it may be, wouldn't it be nice to be in this space while you're social distancing? Huge backyard, huge. And because the landlord uses this as a vacation property, all this downstairs is literally yours. And you only have to deal with them about 2 weeks out of the entire year. So let me go back to showing you, now that I've walked down here, underneath that patio, you have a bar for entertaining when it's socially acceptable again, or just for enjoying with your significant other. You have yard furniture for coming outside and getting some fresh air during this COVID-19 experience. A porch swing with a little table, which would be so perfect for a book. I don't know if you're into doodling, even just surfing social media. It's wonderful. There's some bird baths. Birds do come through here as well. And yes, that is a little fire pit up there on the porch that I'm sure you could bring down and use out here. You could be roasting marshmallows while you are practicing social quarantine. I'm already jealous. I'm thinking about doing that myself. Now, Maddie over here is inspecting this little pond, which is man-made, and it comes with a turtle, which is probably what she was looking for because she has seen him before. Now, I point out Maddie, I was saying Mary because Sherry, my mother-in-law, just joined. Hi, Sherry. Because this is also dog-friendly. Unfortunately, no cats. There is an allergy issue with cats, but dogs are welcome. Case by case, just inquire. As you can see, mine is quite nosy. And for those of you just tuning in, this little pond under the patio does have a little turtle that lives in there. So if you're solo and you're social distancing, it comes with a built-in pet. And he's very self-sufficient, y'all. You don't have to get worried about taking care of Mr. Turtle. Again, this wonderful outdoor space is covered. Ceiling fan. Swing. All sorts of planting opportunities. And that's just half of the backyard. If you've been following me, you've already seen that it goes back to this whole other space. Hello, potential pergola opportunity. So, I'm turning you around so you can see my happy face. I'm going to walk you now back under this deck, covered deck. This area that has these seating chairs outside is fully covered, so you don't have any issue with sitting out here even when it rains, which is fantastic. And I'm going to walk you into your new living room. All right, turning around. So as you can see here, we've got those beadboard ceilings, really charming, built in. If these sorts of blinds are not for you, or valances, I get it, easy switch. Brand new ceiling fan with a light. You get lots of light in through those French doors. I'm going to give you some perspective from where we're coming from. There's Maddie taking a sniff of things. Now, I have sniffed this carpet myself, for those of you who are curious, and while I'm not a huge fan of carpeting indoors, it is very clean. It smells great. I have put my face to it for y'all in more than one location, so do not worry about it. Also, the prior owners did not have any dogs or anything like that. They were not smokers, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, coming in here, you have this really clever setup where you have a coat closet to my left. Cute for a little bistro table like we have set up. That is actually your front door, which I'll show you in a moment. And this is the kitchen and a pantry closet. Now, Maddie is so comfortable on this carpet, she is having a field day. Maddie, slowly roll. Okay. Coming into the kitchen, these staircases actually go up to the owner's unit upstairs. Again, the owner is only here about 2 weeks out of the year. It is not a short-term rental. It belongs to a nice retired lady who is looking for long-term renters. There is a door at the top of the stairs that is locked, but you could go ahead and use these stairs, I don't know, for plants or whatever floats your boat storage-wise. Maddie's checking that out for you. To the left, or to the right rather, here you see the alarm system. Alarm is paid by the owner, as is water. So internet and electricity and gas are your problem, but you've got 2 of your bills covered. There is the front door, which goes to a side alley. And that side alley lets you have an entrance for yourself. There you can see the screen door, and your neighbors have really pretty hibiscus, and that yard, folks, is fully fenced in. So if you do have a pup like Maddie, I have this door here so she can't get out, they're not going to be able to get out via the yard or the street. Okay, coming back inside. The stove is gas. I know that's important to us cooks, and although this kitchen is a little limited, it has plenty of room for a nice breakfast bar or wheel-in island with stools if you'd like. So you could really make this a fun spot to congregate around. Now, there is a washer and dryer in the unit. That means no quarters. That means no sharing them with other people. Your washer and dryer are included. You just cover them with your electric bill. Full-size fridge and refrigerator for those people who like to store things, and in these interesting times, you would have plenty of room for whatever's left at Trader Joe's and then some. So here's Maddie again having a field day by the bed. Okay, now I'm passing 2 full-size closets. They're kind of difficult to show you because they're in a hallway, but you have a his and hers, or hers and hers, or his and his. No judgment. You can use them all for yourself. The bathroom is right behind me here. You do have a shower, toilet, sink, everything that you need. And there is storage above the toilet and a full-size medicine cabinet. Okay, also coming in here, I did my best with limited supplies to show you guys that a queen bed could easily fit in this room. If you had a full bed, you would have plenty of room to walk around and then some. And for one less storage opportunity, you do have another closet. So count them. We've got that coat closet up front that is enormous. We actually have under the stairs storage. We have the closet that you just saw, 2 additional full closets in the hall, and that pantry. So we're looking at 5 or 6 storage spaces for you as well. Okay, now just one moment, and I want to show you the coolest part of this place that you have not seen yet since you stuck around. Come on, Maddie. All right, also an alternate entrance to your apartment is a very, very large garage. This is actually big enough for 2 small cars. It's certainly big enough for 1 car and your supplies. Now, Maddie, I need you to wait right there. You wait. I see if I can get her to listen so you can just see, wait, just how far I keep going. I mean, look how big this space is. If you guys are already itching to get a jump on Mardi Gras, you could fit a float in here without any problem whatsoever. Now, the other good thing, I'm going to show you the front of the place because it's super duper cute. It's 1930 North Rampart, asking $12.50 a month for that huge backyard, a decent size 1 bedroom and 1 bath, and a 2-car garage in the Marigny Triangle. Folks, I'm looking down the road and I can almost see Frenchman Street. I mean, this is a great location. Parking is unheard of. Come on, Madison. And most of the parking that you do see is going to be used by landlords. Not in this case, because again, your landlord is not here the majority of the time. You have all of this use for yourself. They're not going to come in here with a car and kick you out. You don't have to worry about that. So let's take one more look at this place. I'm going to turn y'all around so you can see me again. Hi. Come on in, Maddie. So I've just parked my car in my awesome garage past what could be a workshop. I mean, I know we've got a lot of artisans in the Marigny. This would be spectacular for that. Okay, so let's turn you around inside. We've got your washer and dryer. No need to go to a laundromat and spend money. We've got your kitchen with plenty of space for a breakfast bar. We're dog friendly. Maddie's here to greet us. We have this fantastic space with this pretty beadboard ceiling, freshly painted walls. Everything in here is super clean and smells wonderful. Brand new ceiling fan. Everything has been gone over by an electrician, by a plumber, by everything, so it all works. And then I'm just going to finish again on this outstanding outdoor space. So there you have it, folks. Your own covered patio, plenty of privacy, $12.50 a month. Comes with this outrageously awesome backyard, even a turtle, built-in pet, great place to park your cars and or get your projects on. And can't you just picture yourself enjoying this porch swing while you're distancing yourself in the Marigny Triangle? This has been Elisa Cool Murphy with French Quarter Realty. Please DM me. I will be posting this video on my website at coolmurphy.com later today. It will be live all day on Instagram. And I look forward to working with y'all. So please, please, please DM me. We do have some interest already on this place. And I hope to help you find this place as your home or another if this one isn't for you. Just let me know. Any leases, any sales, let's find you a better place to hang out during these interesting times where we're all feeling a little cabin fever and stuck indoors. This is Elisa Cool Murphy and Maddie signing out. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay sane, stay well. Take care, y'all.